Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Slack app is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to do is we need to end the Slack app process in the task manager, and we can look for task manager in the search bar and we can search for Slack. Now we can click on this and click on end task and it will end the Slack app. Okay, okay, and we should be able to reopen it. Now we will reopen the Slack app as administrator in the administrator mode. So we will look for Slack and then click on run as administrator, and this app should start working. If it is not working, then you need to check the Slack app server status. So for that, we'll go to the browser and search for Slack app server status, and we can go to this site status site Slack, and we should check if there's any downtime, if there's any outage or anything, and they shows that the last outage was on December 2nd 21, nothing after that. We can also click on status and see that Slack is up and running. Then we move on to the next fix. If all these three solutions don't work, we need to repair and reset the Slack app. So we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on apps, click on installed apps, and we will check for the Slack app in the search bar, and we will click on the three dots here, click on advanced options, and then we will click on repair until we get the tick box, and then we'll click on reset and reset again, and then we will reopen Slack again as administrator and it should work. If none of these steps work, then the only option is to reinstall Slack. So for that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings and go to apps. Then we will go to installed apps and we'll look for Slack. Click on the three buttons here, click on uninstall, uninstall again, and then we will reinstall app by going to the Windows Store and searching for the Slack app, and we'll click on get, and it should be installed. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.